Hello, welcome back to another update of Airflow. Last update I've shown you the rough table with the DAGs, and this time I made it pretty. So it's now in the View app. It has a pretty incubation phase warning, which we can ignore. Then we have our table. In this case it's only one DAG per page because I wanted to show pagination. Pagination works, and it shows you the DAGs that are currently in this cluster. This is the first iteration of a table showing all of the DAGs that you have in your Airflow cluster. In the last video I've showed you more DAGs, and it actually had a connection to an Airflow cluster. But the way that was done was on a local cluster, and the connection type is not suitable for our users. Our users are most likely running Airflow either in Kubernetes or on the Docker host. They probably do not want us to connect directly to their cluster. In other solutions, we've done a similar thing where we use the GitLab agent server for Kubernetes, CAS. And I want to use the same mechanism for Airflow. So you, as a user, you would install the agent in your Kubernetes cluster, and that will push data to GitLab, and then you are actually able to show the DAGs. So that's also the main reason why I'm not putting a whole lot more effort right now into the table with the DAGs. This is all done via the API. Once we have the agent running in the Airflow cluster, we can do more advanced queries. Like for example, the data that you see here, it's a subset of one endpoint, but it does not include the last runtime or the last phase. While if you go to Airflow, those things are available. So it makes sense to have them here right away. So again, this is the first iteration. I'm going to break it down into merge requests that can more easily be reviewed and merged. And I'm going to work on the support for Airflow in the agent. Apparently that can be done via a plugin, so I'm gonna read into that. Thank you so much, Shaker, for introducing me to the Kubernetes agent. And thank you so much, Darby, for helping me with the data model for Airflow DAGs. If you have any questions or suggestions about the GitLab Airflow integration, please leave a comment down below or leave a comment in the feedback issue. I will link it in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.